If you have watched yesterday's video, you've already taken an important step towards understanding how therapy can create lasting change. We talked about whether therapy can really help, and I assured you it absolutely can, especially when you approach it with the open heart and the right guidance. So, now that you're open towards the possibility of therapy, let's take the next step and dive into a very important question. What exactly is the couple therapy and how it can help? That's a great question. And it's normal to feel uncertain. Relationships can be complicated, and sometimes it feels like you're stuck in the same pattern, unable to move forward. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Let me explain it like this. Have you ever tried assembling a piece of furniture without any instructions? You might manage to get it done, but chances are you'll run into some roadblocks. You'll struggle with the pieces not fitting properly and end up with few extra screws, or worse, it just won't hold up for a longer run. That's exactly how relationships can feel when you're not equipped with the right tools to fix what's broken. Couple therapy is like having an expert guide to help you put everything together. The therapist gives you the instructions, the right tools, and a clear plan to strengthen your communication. You're helping in resolving the issues that you have been holding back and to help you both grow together in the way that you deserve. Now, you might be thinking, but we have been together for years, we should be able to handle it ourselves. I get it. But think about this. Even the best athletes need coaches. Even the most successful businesses need advisors. Why? Because sometimes we all need is help to get to the next level. And that's where the couple therapy comes in. It's a place where you and your partner can come together with a trained professional guiding you throughout these difficult conversations, the unspoken feelings and the misunderstandings that builds up over a period of time. Therapy is not about blaming each other. It's about understanding each other better and learning how to work together as a team. Now, one question. Have you ever found yourself stuck in an argument with your partner over and over again? It feels like you're both saying the same thing, but still not hearing each other. Frustration builds and nothing gets resolved. Does it sound familiar? This is like trying to tune in a guitar without knowing which string is out of tune. You keep strumming, hoping the sound will improve, but it just doesn't. No matter how hard you try, things sound off because you're not addressing the right issue. Now let's talk about another issue that many of the couples face, emotional baggage. Assume your relationship is like a backpack. Over time, you add weight, small arguments, misunderstandings, unspoken feelings, and frustrations. And at first, it's very light, but over the years, that backpack gets heavier and heavier until it becomes hard to carry. Have you ever felt like at times like these you're carrying too much weight in your relationship? Like everything you do or say is influenced by all the past stuff and hasn't been dealt with? The therapy helps you unpack that emotional baggage. It's about taking the weight off your shoulders one piece at a time so you can move forward together without carrying the past with you. And as you begin to lighten that load, it brings us to another key issue the couple face, which is trust. Have you ever felt distant from your partner, not physically, but emotionally? Trust can be fragile. And whether it's in the form of a past mistake or the emotional distance that builds over time, trust is like a smartphone screen. It starts off clear, strong, and perfectly functional, but over time, cracks can appear. Maybe from a small rock or a big impact. At first, it might still work, but over time, the cracks grow, making it harder to see things clearly. Therapy can help you repair those cracks piece by piece. Trust becomes strong again, and you can move forward without any distractions or doubt, including which are clouding your connections. So, why should you consider therapy? It's not just about fixing what's broken, but it's more about building something stronger. It's about improving the relationship you already have, learning how to communicate openly, resolving the conflicts without all the drama, and most importantly, reconnecting emotionally. What if you and your partner could finally talk openly without any fear of being misunderstood? What if every conversation left you feeling heard and valued? And what if you could tackle life's challenges together as a team? This is not just a dream, it's the power of couple therapy. It helps you break old patterns and build a foundation of trust, respect, and real connection. Here's the bottom line: the sooner you start, the sooner you begin to heal. The longer you wait, the more emotional baggage you keep adding to your relationship until it becomes harder and harder to move forward. So don't wait for things to get worse. The tension, the misunderstanding, the emotional distance, they won't fix themselves. Therapy helps you stop this cycle, rebuild your trust, and improves your communication. So, investing in therapy is investing in the future of your relationship. And trust me, there is nothing more worth than investing in it.